Hey guys, welcome to the Elite360 funnel and website demo. I'm going to walk you through just some of the features of the funnel and website builder. The builders are actually very similar. The difference between a funnel and a website is a funnel is designed to have one-click upsells, one-click downsells, automatically move on to the next step when someone takes an action on a form. Websites are more traditional, have a menu and the pages are all separate. So those are the main two differences. But as far as the funnel is the builder is concerned, they're pretty similar. Now, inside of Elite360, we give you access to some things that other systems don't. First of all, we're going to give you two of our core high ticket and our low ticket funnels. These are templates that we've designed to help give you kind of a running start. Now, we also have other templates that you have access to. Over on the left-hand side, you'll see a Elite360 funnel template. These are custom collections that we have pre-built. Some of them already have done for you copy, pages that have pre-written copy and things that are already in some of the more common niches that we encounter. But in addition to that, we also have access to hundreds and hundreds of generic templates as well. And if you just click on New Funnel, click Form Templates, you'll see a whole bunch of, anything you could want, any kind of website, any kind of funnel. There's tons of them here, preset with all of the fancy bells and whistles that you'd want in a funnel. But the ones that we give you are designed around our main high ticket process. So opt-in, BSL page, thank you page. We give you a calendar booking page, a hero page, which is kind of like a mini website. We have a pre-written privacy policy for you, terms and conditions, an accountability check-in form if you're working with clients on a weekly basis, and then a confirmation sort of what to do next page. That's our main high ticket funnel. And then on the low ticket side, so if you're selling a $37 product or a $997 product, we give you this funnel template, and it's pretty basic. But it's proven. These are the actual templates that we use to build our business, generate over $100 million in sales. So we're giving you that. Obviously, you've got your sales page, your cart page, your confirmation page. But then what we do is we take it a step further, and inside of our advanced automations, we are giving you the workflows that go along with it. So for example, when someone opts in on your opt-in page and lead generation form, we've pre-set up all of this hard tech for you. The low ticket nurture sequences as well. So when someone does, they go to your page, but they don't buy, we have an abandoned cart sequence that is pre-set up. All of the follow-up designed to get you sales is all there. Then of course, if someone purchases, how you deliver the product. So all this is created for you. There are no other systems out there that give you what we give you in our system. But I want to be able to show you how to use the funnel builder, and I'll sort of guide you through it. And I'm not going to go off of one of our templates. I'll go off of, I'll go ahead and do it, right? So you can come into the main builder, and it's very similar to, ClickFunnels and any type of funnel builder that is out there. It's a drag and drop builder. Now, it isn't quite as advanced as something like Elementor. If you have a WordPress website or something, but it's going to give you pretty much what you need, right? And so I've been doing some demos in here, so the colors and things might look a little different than what you have, but it's pretty simple, right? I can add sections and full width, all the normal things. I can add rows, I can add elements, I can add global sections. This is a really cool feature in other funnel builders. If you make a change in one, it doesn't update the other pages in that funnel. But with our global sections, you actually have the ability to automatically update all the pages in that funnel. So if I were to make a change here, let's say, for example, I want to put a new logo in. Let me just grab an image. Let's just do logo. I'm just going to pick a random one here. Maybe Pixabay is better for logo. Okay, I'll go with that. Right, and when I hit publish, or when I hit save, actually, see, it's going to say, do you want to update all the other pages? So that's going to automatically update all my other pages with it, which is pretty cool. So all of the features and things that you'd want to be able to do, in terms of editing buttons and, all the stuff that you'd want, you're going to have it here. You have the ability to go back and forth on mobile view. The cool thing is you can have something built on both. So for example, if I want this to be displayed on mobile and on desktop, I just create it once, and then over in my settings, I can just have it displayed on both. Now, if I don't want it on mobile and I just want it on desktop, I would just uncheck it. And then when I go into mobile, you'll see that it's gone, right? But obviously I want it on both, which is nice. That way, that just means you don't have to rebuild a completely different funnel. Another really cool feature of our funnel builder, in addition to all the tools, and of course, all of the elements that you want to add, they're here. Countdown timers and progress bars and, one-click upsells. I mean, you can do all of that with our funnels. But one of the cool features I like just in the editor here is the ability to go through to the different pages. So without having to log out and log back in. So if I wanted to go down and I wanted to see, for example, my calendar booking page, I can just go click on it directly there. It brings me right to it. And this will be good. See how it updated the logo down there without me having to do it, because that's a global page, or a global section, I should say. So here's my embedded calendar. If I wanted to switch that out, I could put my 15-minute discovery calendar in there, maybe. So just a really cool feature that I really like. We do have the ability in our system to build custom menus inside of funnels, not just on websites. So a lot of the other funnel builders out there don't give you the ability to put menus on your pages. And our system does. So you can see here, this is an actual menu. So I click on this and I can add items to it. I can have sub menus to it. Let's just say I want to go to a specific step in my funnel. Maybe I want it to go to the VSL page, right? And I could just call this business, or we'll call this overview, right? And submit, right? And now I've got another tab on my funnel, right? And so very cool. So even though this isn't technically built in the websites, I actually can put menus in my pages if I want to. Now, if you're building a marketing funnel, I wouldn't recommend doing that because the menus are what get people lost, and that kind of defeats the whole purpose of building in a marketing funnel to begin with. But that essentially is the builder in a nutshell. Okay, now let me go back and I'll just show you the difference with websites. So let's say I want to start a new website, and I'm just going to go to templates, and I'm just going to pick we'll just do like a health and wellness kind of example. Let's view this one. That looks good. Continue. So it's setting it up. Okay, and now the website is built. So that you can see here, these are displayed in cards. So you'll still have access to things like stats, just like you would on the funnels, but they just function a little bit differently. So on this one, I'm actually going to build, a functioning website, and they're all linked together. So the menus work very similarly. And I could also do mobile menus and things here, but you can see it's got all the sections of the site built into it. They're all connected. I can go back and forth similarly, like with funnels, to the different pages inside of the builder. I could look at my mobile menu here. So I've got the mobile menu settings as well, and I could do all of that in here. Of course, I can configure all the settings, everything that you'd want. If you mess up, you got different versions that you can go to, but very professional websites, all the graphics. We can also integrate, third-party plugins. So let's say, for example, you're using, some widgets or some plugins from something like Elfsight. You've got some really cool, like podcast plugin, or some really cool, testimonial plugin or something. You can plug in widgets using our third-party code. So I just come down here, grab code, right? And just like anything else, I can add any kind of third-party code on here as well, right? And of course, you can do all the custom CSS. So if you're you could do a lot of cool things, and you know how to write code, and you can do a lot of that stuff here, right? So I'm not going to get into all that, but all of that can be done here. And this is websites, and you can do lots of different things. I'm not going to get into every aspect of it, but anything you want to be able to do with a funnel builder, you can do it. Okay. And, there's pop-ups, there's, let me just drop a form in here, and you can see this, live and in action. So if we can do long forms, and there you go. Right. So complete website builder, complete funnel builder, all the stats, you can, advanced settings. We've got some really neat features like image optimization can help your images load faster. We have the ability for you to embed your chat widget on your website, which is a really cool feature of our system. So you can customize this for your business, and you can put your chat widget on your website, and that means when someone clicks the little bubble and has a conversation with you, you can do a lot of things. You can have it automatically reply. You can have it notify your team. You can have it, obviously it'll create a lead in your CRM system with Elite360. So really powerful feature for our websites. And you'll be able to go through some of the forms and surveys and some of our other tutorials. But there you go. That's an overview of our funnel builder and our website builder. We'll see you in the next one.